Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make a bar graph in Microsoft Excel. So guys, as we can see we have this data. To create bar graph, you need to select your data. We have this example data, salesperson and number of sales as a month. So select, then insert, and here you will see this bar graph option. In the chart section, this one is the bar graph. Select it and select any type of graph like 2D column. You can determine your data as a graph. You can change style. Or here is a list of style. You can select any type of style. You can change color combination. You can change layout. Also guys, you can change from 2D to 3D column. And 2D bar. And 3D bar. And in the filter, there are some more options. Then unselect any option and you can filter out value. Like this. Then you can change style, color. So this is the basic video guys to learn how to create bar graph in Microsoft Excel. You can change size, just drag and drop. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.